Energy. Energy is the fundamental truth of nature's creation. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. We are not matter, rather we are energy beings. Energy condenses or consolidates and becomes as solid. Our physical body is a huge energy body made of atoms and molecules. Breath and breath energy. Breath is the medium which connects us to the cosmic energy of the cosmos. We ourselves are energy beings, pure consciousness beings. When we are low in energy, we become ill and diseased. Tapping into the cosmic energy pool of the cosmos through Anapanasati is the basis of the grand science of body-mind energy maximization. Our lifestyle is a natural result of our body energy and mind energy levels. Pyramids and pyramid energy. Pyramids represent the very best of sacred geometry coming from ancient times. Pyramids act as storehouses of cosmic energy.
Golden angle of inclination, why it is exactly that around 52 degrees got interested to me. Then I studied more and came to know that it is derived from the golden ratio phi, which is 1.618, which is a wonderful number. According to the trigonometry, when it is converted into angle, it comes to 51 degrees and 50 minutes. And this golden ratio has many interesting aspects. Not only for the pyramids, it is being used in many other walks of life also. So the mega pyramid of Egypt, which was constructed by ancient Egyptians, was exactly constructed according to this golden angle of inclination and the golden ratio. And this golden angle has more stability.
Pyramid energy. The cosmic energy that gets stored inside a pyramid is called as pyramid energy. So when we sit and meditate under a pyramid, the inflow of cosmic energy into the physical body is thrice more in quantitative terms.
Pyramids can be constructed with any material. The material has to be chosen according to the space, the size and the environment and the purpose for which the pyramids are being constructed. Different materials like reinforced cement concrete, the ferrous cement concrete, puff insulation panels, fiber cement boards, bamboo mats, metagalva aluminum sheets, all these materials can be used. And when pyramids are being constructed, as the size increases, the energy of the pyramid increases.
Yes, myself, Gurudev. I'm working in the field of yoga and allied sciences.
I was doing research on Anapanasati meditation in Pyramid Valley International, Bengaluru, and in Maheshwara Mahapyramid, Kartal. My research topic was tracking the effect of Anapanasati meditation through electrophotonic imaging parameter. Our team tried to track what is the effect of Anapanasati meditation on health. The result that we got was there is a symmetric effect. When someone does regular practice of Anapanasati meditation, there is a reduction in production of free radicals. If the free radicals are generated more than required in the human body, it creates health illness and also aging process becomes faster. So, we concluded that when we practice Anapanasati meditation regularly, it reduces the production of free radicals, improves health and reduces the aging process.
Slowing the aging process.
Brahmarshi Patriji has been an ardent researcher in the subject and field of spiritual science, and he has founded the Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, India, in the year 1990. Through his profound personal experiences, Patriji combined pyramid energy along with breath energy and termed it as pyramid meditation. This pyra breath energy technique has influenced people from various walks of life to construct pyramids in their respective villages, towns, cities. Pyramids for agriculture, pyramids as goshalas, cowsheds, pyramids for health and wellness, pyramids for preservation, pyramid houses for living, pyramids for education, pyramids for prisoners in jails, pyramid ashrams for spiritual retreats, pyramids by entrepreneurs, pyramids by politicians built for the welfare of the people in their respective constituencies.
I am B.V. Reddy. I am an industrialist. Now basically the concept of meditation and my interaction with Mr. Patriji has started in 1989. 89 when I first met him, I find some sort of glory in his face and I thought he is the suitable master for us to know about meditation. The concept of meditation was taught to me by Sri Patriji. After that I had some questions. Mr. Patriji has solved my mental problems, whichever the questions arise in my mind. And then considering him as our spiritual guru, we started the movement. The first pyramid was constructed in India by us at Kurnool with the blessings of Brahmarshi Patriji. First of 91, we have laid foundation stone for this pyramid. This is the base pyramid and this is number one pyramid in India, which is more important because of the energies inside the pyramid. That is called pyramid energy, which has got greater impact on the human cells. And so many diseases also can be cured with it. Practically, we have observed so many people coming to our pyramid, sitting there inside the pyramid, and they were cured. They have become perfectly all right. This is the mother pyramid of India. Because of Patriji only, the concept of meditation inside the pyramid, it has started in India. Earlier, there was no other any spiritual master who has worked on this, and he is root cause for this type of concept.
మీరు చూస్తున్న క్షేత్రం పిరమిడ్ జేతవనం
in Kottala village near Kalikiri town of Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh district. The speciality of this place is every structure is constructed here as a pyramid.
పిరమిడ్ ఆకారంలోనే చేయడం ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ప్రత్యేకత.
Even the Goshala cowshed is constructed in the form of a pyramid. This has a king's chamber where people can sit and meditate. It's been 6 years since we constructed this pyramid Goshala where the cow stays. The animals kept inside this pyramid Goshala were never sick and we did not take them to veterinary clinic during the past 6 years. It's a positive sign for us that whatever is kept under a pyramid stays healthy for a longer span.
నా పేరు పొత్తూరు సుబ్బారావు, మార్టూరు, ప్రకాశం జిల్లా. శ్రీకృష్ణ పిరమిడ్ గో సంరక్షణ సేవా సమితి.
My wife introduced me to meditation in the year 2012.
పార్వతి ద్వారాగా ధ్యానం నాకు పరిచయం అయింది.
My life is totally transformed when I started to meditate and I am very happy now. We have cows at our home. One day we decided to build a pyramid Goshala for cows so that even they can remain happy and healthy as we are. And hence this pyramid Goshala got built. The energies present inside this pyramid help the cattle which were ill and unhealthy to recover to complete health without any medications. Cows that stayed in this pyramid gave better quality of milk in comparison to the one that stayed outside.
పాలకేనో విడిగా కట్టేసిన వాటికి తేడా ఉంది.
Does pyramids have effect on animals? Yes. Like humans, they're also beings like us. They have feelings, they're sentient beings like us. They have emotions. It is conducted many times by researchers. They built pyramid goshalas. Goshala means a kind of cows where we structure shelter for cows. That shelter is made in pyramidal shape. So the goshalas, these cow shelters which are made in the shape of the pyramids, These cows are much healthy, they're happy. The happy cows give happy milk. We find that cows are responding so positively to the pyramid energy. So even animals who are wounded, who are sick, they're kept inside the pyramid, they heal faster, just like humans, because animals, they also become sick. So use the pyramid energy, see the impact of the pyramid energy. So all the veterinary clinics can have pyramids now, where animals are kept inside the pyramids. It will have a very positive effect. So it is also a beautiful role the pyramids are playing in terms of helping the animal kingdom.
ప్రకృతి వ్యవసాయం పైన
When we were doing natural farming by experimenting with pyramids, we made a pyramid of size 18 by 18 with iron frames. The sole purpose is for farming, and we kept them on top of the crops in the fields. We took farmers to the fields and made them to meditate near the crops. We kept the seeds and organic manure under the pyramids before using for agriculture. We observed better yield and productivity than before. It's my personal experience that pyramids are beautiful energy structures on earth.
నేను పొందాను. పిరమిడ్లు నిర్మించిన తర్వాత మేజర్గా ఇక్కడ మేము గమనించిన మార్పులు ఏమిటంటే,
This place is generally records very less rainfall. What we observed is, after we constructed pyramids here, we saw increase in rainfall also in comparison to surrounding villages. Last year, we had a total yield of 600 tons of palm oil seeds. This year, with construction of the pyramids, the yield increased to 750 to 800 tons of palm oil. Productivity can be increased when we add pyramid energy to our agriculture. This was our intention in constructing pyramids here. We experimented with cucumber seeds with pyramids before the crop. We kept half of the seeds under the pyramid for 21 days and half outside. Sowing was done separately to measure the results. We observed 30 to 40% increase in the yield in the pyramid seeds in comparison to the one that were kept outside the pyramid.
30 to 40% వేరియేషన్ కనపడింది.
Pyramid energy affects the energy fields of a plant. Pyramids are being used nowadays to increase the yield of the crops. Only skeleton of the pyramid was placed on the fields, on the green crops like paddy, rice, and even other crops, and they started observing that the yield of the crop is much more. One experiment that we have conducted at Quantum Life University, we started using pyramid energy, and we have sown legumes as the crop, and what happened is we have severe drought conditions where there is no rain, completely is because of dry land, no water facilities, but we reaped a lot of yield in spite of no rains. Whereas there are many surrounding villages, they were using pesticides, chemicals, but completely they lost the crops. It is noticed that wherever these kind of pyramids built, the close by the plants and all the trees, they also get affected with the energy field, the kind of torsion effect. It is noticed by scientists. Wherever there's high energy, the plants and trees, they twist because it makes them spiral up the energy. They notice that they're changing inside. That means it's a very positive change. The taste of the food, the fruits, which is pyramidized, those fruits, they taste better. So this is a new innovation around the globe, new research, which really can help farmer community. A small pyramid where we put the seeds inside the pyramid for at least 21 days. It's a process. These seeds, which they go through the pyramidization process, old imprints, old template or old genetics that are there inside that seed, it gets corrected. It becomes a healthy seed. And when that seed is sown, pyramidized seeds, they are giving better yields. In the future, we all wake up to use pyramid energy for having spiritual agriculture.
నా పేరు స్రవంతి అండి. నేను ఖమ్మం నుండి వచ్చాను, తెలంగాణ స్టేట్.
A year ago, I was suffering with a severe back pain, and I consulted many doctors, and I tried all kinds of medicines, allopathy as well as Ayurvedic medicines. Day by day, my food intake got reduced, whereas my intake of medicines got increased, and I became bedridden. It was a near-death experience for me. Pyramid meditation came to me as a ray of hope. When I came to know about this meditation, I started to do it with a hope that this will help me to solve my backache. To my wonder, within a span of a month, I got completely recovered. My family members were surprised to see me recovering quickly with pyramid meditation energy.
నా పేరు వీర జగదీశ్వరి, గొల్లల మామిడాడ. నేను పుట్టింది పెరిగింది తూర్పుగోదావరి జిల్లాలోనే.
When I was under a state of depression and emotional imbalance in life, I got introduced to pyramid meditation through a senior pyramid master, Reddy Naidu. He taught me meditation for about 10 minutes and made me sit under a pyramid to do meditation for 1 hour. After my first meditation session, I felt complete happiness, joy, and love towards my life. My thirst to teach this meditation increased day by day, as there are many people who undergo situations like mine. I told my husband about the benefits of pyramid meditation and asked him to construct a pyramid. Without a second thought, he agreed to build this beautiful pyramid.
పిరమిడ్ కావాలని అడిగా, వెంటనే కట్టించేశారు.
I am Dr. Gautam Lodaya, surgical oncologist. That means I deal with cancer patients, and I am diabetologist also. From 2009, as a cancer surgeon, I noticed that there are so many sufferings, especially in stage 4 cancer cases. With all this allopathy, with all this science, with everything at a topper level, all the equipments, with that also people are getting diabetes, hypertension even at a younger age. So I was wondering, do what now? I mean, we are doing full-fledged allopathy practice, and now there is some other modality we should have. I was exposed to meditation and yoga, physical yoga, since my childhood, and I used to practice regularly. But now I thought, why not I use it for my patients? We started telling them just concentrate on the breath, and it all came automatically. And people used to try all those things, and whenever now there is a problem in some serious case or some patient admitted in ICU, we with our staff and their relatives, we sit for them and do meditation for them. And miraculously we have seen the results that we think that this patient may not survive, but within 1 or 2 days that patient is out of ICU and he is as normal as ourselves, and their blood reports have become coming to very normal stage. I mean, I was wondering like how it is happening. Wherever I am sitting on the top of it, there is a pyramid. Wherever any consultant is sitting on the top of his head, there will be a pyramid. In the corridor, there are numerous pyramids where patients will be sitting. In the pharmacy, we have numerous pyramids so that it will give energy to the drugs, so that it will heal patients faster. And we have a pyramid meditation center different where 100 people can sit, where we take daily classes and meditations.
I am Jagdishwar Reddy from Amangal town, Telangana state. During the past 30 years, I suffered from insomnia and I used to take alprazolam medicine to go to sleep. I came to know about meditation through a leaflet which stated, once we observe our breath, it can reduce disturbed sleep. I started doing meditation and my sleeping disorders got gradually reduced. I got a thought, if meditation done under a pyramid is so very effective, what if I stay under a pyramid for longer duration? I decided to construct a pyramid house and I did.
We all know that pyramids are the sacred geometrical structures, pyramidizing the water, pyramidizing your house, pyramidizing everything. The pyramid energy, it really affects you in a very, very positive way, and lot of emotional turbulences that we go through in life. The issues like anger, sadness, fear, jealousies, greed. People are impatient, restless. All these emotional disturbances a human being is going through, pyramid energy can really help them. If you know that even our own entire energy framework is a pyramidal in structure. Pyramid is the most stable structure in the universe. So even we have in the brain neuronal cells, one of the group of cells are called pyramidal cells beds. Neuronal cells actually named as pyramidal cells because they have a pyramid shape. If you notice, your nose is a pyramid. The breath is going through the pyramid here, your nose. And we have Adam's apple. This appears to be a pyramid, like a triangle here. So inside your body itself, there's pyramids that are made. Because that's a blueprint. The whole cosmos is working that way.
This is Pyramid Home Divine, State Center for Rejuvenation and Transformation, and it is situated in small village called as Rajawala near Selakui, Dehradun, and state Uttarakhand. And it was visualized in my meditation around 2000. The real construction was started in 2010 and was inaugurated on December 14 by Brahm Rishi Patriji. And now this center is available for public. People come here and meditate here and absorb the pyramid energy. Every structure here is under pyramid. The main pyramid here is Mani Dupam pyramid, which is the powerhouse of this complex. And then we have organic farming also. I have done one experiment with students also. My daughter is an architect and my son is doctor. They both have studied sitting inside the pyramid, in 6x6 pyramid, and their learning power was increased while they were studying in the pyramid. Pyramid brings changes in life. This must be documented. Previously I was having a construction company, and during that construction period only I got injury, and then I was relieved with the pyramid healing and then pyramid meditation. Now when I got such a miraculous result in my life, my mission is now to spread this power of meditation and power of pyramid to public at large.
When I came to know about Patriji and when I met the master, I learned and experienced that meditation plays a major role in an individual's life. It transforms a person to be happy and healthy always. Pyramid Master Rajendra suggested us to construct a pyramid in a unique way. A plan was made which resembles Hanuman carrying Sanjeevani mountain as a pyramid. The Sanjeevani mountain would be constructed in the form of a pyramid, and the entrance to the pyramid is from the chest of Hanuman, which directs people to the second floor to practice Anapanasati meditation. When this amazing plan was drafted and shown to me, I was thrilled. I decided and agreed then and there to construct this pyramid with my own self-earned money rather than by collecting donations from the pyramid masters. An amount of 1 crore 25 lakhs rupees got incurred for the construction of this pyramid. And after the construction, this pyramid has been handed over to Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement to conduct regular meditation sessions for the welfare of mankind. Several meditation workshops are being conducted here by Pyramid Masters under the guidance of Brahmarshi Patriji. Many people who come here for pyramid meditation sessions reported to me that they are happy, their anger, grief were reduced, and even their illness has been cured without any medicines, just by regularly practicing pyramid meditation inside this pyramid. When I heard this, my happiness was boundless, and I felt that the money that has been spent here is fulfilling the purpose. It's my belief and personal experience that one should make a habit of practicing meditation regularly on a daily basis, as it enhances the quality of our lives in multiple ways. Pyramid meditation makes a person healthy and happy. By knowing this, as health is our main priority, 6 years ago, a pyramid was constructed here. Earlier, I had seen and heard about the power of pyramid, and this inspired me to construct a pyramid here in Yana. Several pyramid meditation sessions have been constructed here. By practicing pyramid meditation, I have become peaceful. My stress levels are reduced, and I am able to attain emotional balance in my life. People coming here are very happy after seeing the transformation in their lives before and after pyramid meditation.
చాలా హ్యాపీగా వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా ఉంటున్నారు.
The power of pyramid energy seemed to be significant. Several accidents were happening in Ramagundam municipality bypass of Telangana state. Ramagundam Pyramid Spiritual Society took the lead and educated the government transportation department about the power of pyramids and how it can play a dynamic influence in reducing the accidents in accident-prone areas. Hence, on 6th April 2018, the Government Transportation Department, along with Ramagundam Pyramid Spiritual Society's support, has installed several pyramids on accident-prone zones of Rajiv State Highway SH1 in the state of Telangana.
Hello friends, I'm Shreyans Daga. I'm an industrialist living in Bombay. I'm into edible oil extraction business and I'm also a vice chairman of Pyramid Valley International, Bangalore. I was first introduced to meditation in 1997. So during that time, first time I was introduced Patri sir. That time 6 months back my father had passed away. 2 days back I detected of TB, and that was the time when Patri sir first introduced me to pyramid meditation. He told me that you don't need to go to doctors, you don't need to take any medicines. Your TB is because of your grief. If you want to heal, just do pyramid meditation and you can heal yourself. And that's what I did. I started meditation with Patri sir first, and then I continued for a month. and after 1 month my TB was completely gone. I was completely healed. As a business entrepreneur, I would recommend everyone to do pyramid meditation. It is a thought amplification tool. Everything what we do is basically for emotional payoff, and through meditation, moreover with pyramid meditation, we can experience state of blissfulness, the joyfulness, the state of abundance just sitting at one place. And once you are in that state, it is easier to draw that situation into your life. That's why I recommend all business entrepreneurs that meditation is about utilization of time in a better way. 2000, we also built up a spiritual center, ashram in Betul. We constructed a pyramid there, and thousands of people are getting benefited by meditation there. It has completely changed. The whole town is being benefited, and it's in the serene environment of all the jungles. Inspired by the change which is people are seeing in the pyramids, I also started a school in Betul. We constructed, earlier there was no pyramid, we acquired that school, but after that we constructed pyramids in school. We saw a big change in the students. Their concentration level has increased. They meditate every day below the pyramids, inside the pyramids. Their memory has increased. They are very joyful, they are very playful. In fact, seeing the change in students, parents want that every weekends they should come, and that's how then we started meditation. We opened the school for parents also, so every weekends or after school hours they can come and meditate, because the parents have been inspired by the children. And it's a great transformation. In a small town, the parents could never have imagined that the children could have so much benefited. So this school has become a major attraction for them because they've seen the children transformation.
My name is Shankar Jagda, Principal, Satpada Valley Public School, Betul, Madhya Pradesh. Our management has decided in 2005, and they thought of bringing new creative way of understanding schooling and also holistic development of child psychology. To bring some more energy to school, management, they have decided and they constructed 4 pyramids. Thanks to Brahma Rishi Patriji, who has guided for this. After constructing 4 pyramids, the energy was immensely has seen among everybody. And the people who are working, they are very happy, they are comfortable in living their life. It's not only in teacher side, it's also helped the children, their behaviors, their discipline of understanding schooling. And we got very good understanding about children and teachers after constructing these pyramids. I suggest people who can construct these pyramids, definitely it will be a miracle.
I am Aravindan, Chief Mentor of Acharya Group of World Class Institutions. We are based from Pondicherry. Moreover, I am a meditator. I have been enjoying a meditative experience and life for the past 25 years, the inner journey, which has been very fruitful, meaningful, making my life worthwhile. And whoever sees me from my childhood, they see before meditation and after meditation effect. So I believe meditation has its positive impact in my life. I am so happy and delighted. I have met this wonderful personality, Patriji. And he has always spoken only of 2 things. Anapanasati meditation, that focusing on your breath, and pyramid energy. And most importantly, he was very particular about vegetarian. He has handholded me into meditation in a huge manner. I should personally thank him. Without any effort, without any willpower game, I was able to quit non-vegetarian and move into vegetarian lifestyle. I was able to go into the new heights of meditation. So whatever the message I am carrying in the name of meditation or in the name of oneness in meditation, it's all because of his influence. He has made me promote meditation to the students. 10 years before, somewhere in 2007, I happened to see a pamphlet saying pyramid meditation. So out of curiosity, I went and saw what it is. In a room, they had a 2x2 pyramid, and somebody told me, sit inside the pyramid and meditate. And I was sitting inside the pyramid, the music was played, and it was a very deep, strong experience. And I felt as if I am meditating inside the chamber of Matir Mandir, which is in Auroville, close to Pondicherry. So the similar effect of Matir Mandir was felt inside a 2x2 pyramid, that is very small pyramid. And I realized the pyramids are a big antenna to amplify the cosmic energy. I wanted to experiment more of the pyramids, and to see the benefit, I constructed a 5 pyramid hall, meditation hall in our schools. And as we are constructing the pyramid, the entire atmosphere around the campus started happening in a big way, being in our school. Children have started enjoying. There is a lot of harmony in the staffs, harmony in the students, and the influence of the pyramid has added energy. The children are very, very expressive, and our students have started accomplishing many things. I believe the pyramids have brought in a lot of laurels to Acharya. We have conducted a lot of world records. I believe this approach and the engagement of the students on a daily basis with pyramids has given us a lot of beneficial results, and our school itself is enjoying the presence of the pyramid. As an educationist, I strongly believe the pyramid meditation and the meditation at a very young age. Children should be given the opportunity to sit in meditation and empower themselves to have a enriched mind, which is a mind that is silent and beautiful because of meditation.
This is Kirtana of grade 8C studying in Acharya Bala Shiksha Mandir, Tengaitittu. Our school has introduced a new meditation known as Golden Smile Meditation being conducted between 12 noon to 12:10 p.m. where each and every student in the school has to do meditation. By learning this, I was able to do time management because I was having a problem because I was going to Hindi class, music class and chess class. So I have to concentrate on the school as well. So by doing this meditation, it helped me a lot to manage my time and encourage myself to develop myself.
Hi friends, this is Lohita of grade 7A. My school is providing us meditation, and even there is a period called spiritual science, and there is a sir who teaching that about meditation fully. Since I'm studying here from 4th standard, when I came to the school, not good in studies, physical activities, I was totally bad. Then even that time meditation was there, but I won't do it properly. My spiritual science sir came and told me, if you try this, you will be good, having good concentration studies, and you'll be good in everything. I tried it, and that thing happened, and I was a good girl and the best in studies and physical activities on last year, and now also I'm best.
I'm Ajjan Fatima from grade 9C. Starting from my 8 years of age, I had thyroid problem. At that time, I was using 75 mg of tablets, which is overdose for my age. Gone to many doctors. Most of the doctors suggested me doing skipping so that I could reduce my thyroid problem. I had a lack of concentration, so that I couldn't do skipping at a full stretch. 2 times itself, I just lose my rope and I just left skipping. By doing meditation, I could increase my concentration level so that I could do skipping at a full stretch. This helped me a lot to reduce my thyroid, and now I'm using just 25 mg of tablets, and after 3 months I am just going to stop every tablet and I am going to become a free person.
I am Sugandhi Vishwanathan, principal of Eklavya International School, a part of Acharya World Class Institution. We have meditation as an integral part of our curriculum because we feel that the journey outside has to culminate with journey inside, and children will have to be taught to go deep inside and discover their self potential and their true self.
In the year 2004, I came to know about a mega pyramid, which is one of its kind, proposed biggest in the Asia, being planned in Bengaluru city of Karnataka state. So during the construction of this mega pyramid, which is 160 feet by 160 feet at base and 102 feet tall, so all the technical know-how of the pyramid, the golden angle, the orientation to the true north, south, east, west, all these details were exactly followed, and such a mega structure was constructed where 5,000 people can gather at a time and meditate. So during this journey, I came to know more information about the pyramid energy and the breath energy through Brahmarshi Patriji. The Maitreya Buddha pyramid, which is constructed in Bengaluru, was started in the year 2004, and the pyramid was ready for meditation in the year 2005. So when it is completed in all aspects in the year 2008, more and more people from Bengaluru city started coming and visiting the pyramid and getting benefited. So in the year 2010, the Bengaluru Mirror, a Times Group of India magazine, when it conducted a survey on one of the 7 wonders of Bengaluru, this Maitreya Buddha pyramid has been chosen by many people, and it became the first among the 7 wonders of Bengaluru. After the declaration of this, thousands of people started coming to Maitreya Buddha pyramid and getting benefited. We have accommodation facilities and we serve food for free during lunch and dinner. So we invite people from all over the world, irrespective of caste, creed, religion and nationality.
The name of this ashram is Sri Omkareshwara Pyramid Dhyana Shakti Mahakshetra. So this is located on the way to Hyderabad to Sri Shailam. This is for the use of teaching meditation, whoever is going to Sri Shailam. So Lord Shiva's main symbol is Om. So Patriji's idea is to relate with Sri Shailam. So he has suggested and recommended to construct the whole ashram in the shape of Om. This is very first of its kind in the world and very biggest Om shape also. So the Om shape is of 2 acres. In that 18 by 18 pyramid each, we have constructed 18 pyramids to relate with 18 Shakti Pitas. So the idea of this ashram in 2009 December. So that construction of Om shape and 18 pyramids been completed by 2012 December. So in December 2012, that is in 12/12/12, Patriji has come and inaugurated this pyramid for the use of public. Since 2012, whoever is coming here, we are teaching meditation. Whoever want to stay here and do meditation, we are giving all the facilities like accommodation, food and everything. Many people came with certain health, nervous weakness or headaches, migraine headache or psychological depressions. Many people came with and they stayed here for 10 days, 15 days, 1 month and they observed themselves that there is huge change, huge healing has happened in all the ways.
My name is Ram Babu. I am basically an electronic engineer. The Kartal pyramid started 2007. The size of the pyramid is 180 by 180 feet and height is 114 feet height and approximately around 6,000 people can at a time meditate inside the pyramid. Basic structure, everything is complete in 2012. Now at present I am a managing trustee. From 2012 we started Dhyan Mahachakram. The premises are around 60-acre land. This is actually one of the biggest pyramid in Asia and headquarters for our movement. The Dhyan Mahachakram is conducted every year. At that time, we are expecting almost 25 to 30,000 people visiting, and we have provision for more than 20,000 people for accommodation. With the help of everybody, we are able to do free food for the Dhyan Mahachakram.
World Peace Ashram. Individual's core peace is world's peace. Once in my deep meditation, I got an inner message to build this meditational pyramid in this place. This pyramid is 33 by 33 base and 24 feet high. This structure absorbs the cosmic energy. When you meditate inside this structure, your breath comes to a zero state and mind becomes perfectly balanced. This is the reason people who meditate here attains balanced state of mind. People in the nearby villages have seen enormous transformation in their family situations and relationships after they visited this place. This place absorbs cosmic energy and improves our positive thinking. We, from this place, keep generating positive thoughts for the world welfare always. Patriji is a great spiritual scientist. He is building lots of pyramids around the world to spread the positive vibrations for the welfare of humanity. That's his goal. Let's spread the message of pyramids and meditation across the world to all the people. Let all the spiritual masters unite and create a new world.
The place is called Suvarnamukhi Samskruti Dhama. This is located at Oderali village, which is border of Kanakpura Taluk and Bangalore South. Pyramid meditation is a great technique. Wherever there is a possibility of meditating under a pyramid, one should make a choice of sitting under the pyramid, and certainly it will be physically healthy, mentally one develops peace, and spiritually elevating unquestionably. And I thought I should start thinking of how to promote pyramid meditation technique in living for the children, because that's where we have to start inculcating all values. So that is how it began. The benefits of pyramid, we thought we could adopt similar idea here so that it can be beneficial to one and all who comes here. In fact, I had never not known pyramid first of all, and pyramid was first introduced to me when I came here, and then I knew Patriji, and when I read about it and know about it and met him and interacted with so many people, I found he was a great master of pyramid meditation, and pyramid meditation is today has become worldwide impressively acceptable because of his extraordinary effort. I really heartily congratulate him, and Patriji will be ever remembered as an icon of meditation forever in the world.
Several pyramids have been constructed in jails and prisons by government authorities, and many pyramid meditation camps have been conducted by pyramid masters for the prisoners of those prisons. We have been informed by the jail authorities that after regular practice of pyramid meditation, they observed a lot of positive transformation in the character of the prisoners.
Welcome to this Pyramid Valley International near Bengaluru, South India. This is our international headquarters where all people come here and enjoy the pyramid energies, enjoy the pyramid meditation energies, and I also enjoy the nature's energies. I am a voracious reader. I have read all the spiritual books right from my childhood. Way back in the year 1982, I came across a book called The Secret Power of Pyramids by two masters, Bill Shull and Ed Petit. So in the year 1982, I came across this small book, and I was wonderstruck by the experiences of all those people who contributed to that book, Pyramid, Secret Power of Pyramids. Then I asked my own carpenter to give me small pyramids, cardboard pyramids, with the same angle as the Great Pyramid of Giza. And then he gave me two pyramids, and I tested the pyramid energy. So in those days, I used to be shaving my beard. So I used to keep those razors inside the pyramid, small pyramids. Then I used to get 30, 40, 50 shaves. So whatever was there in the book was replicated by me. That was in the year 1982. Then in the year 1991, the first pyramid was constructed in Kurnool. It is called as the Buddha Pyramid Meditation Center. And since then, the pyramid meditation age has dawned on this earth planet. Real pyramid meditation age, real meditation age also has dawned on this planet Earth. And the Pyramid Spiritual Society movement began in the year 1991. Then in the year 1992, I resigned my job, money earning job, and then I started going from village to village, town to town, country to country to spread the ideas and concepts of pyramid energy, meditation, pyramid meditation, spiritual science, vegetarianism, all this whole package of true spirituality. Today, now in this year 2018, I am sitting here in front of this great pyramid, and thousands and thousands of pyramids have been built by us. Small pyramids, big pyramids, in thousands and thousands of villages and towns. And not only in villages and towns, in every house, rooftop pyramids have been built. And all those things you can see in our website, www.pyramidseverywhere.org. I welcome you to go into our Pyramids Everywhere website and see all those things. Energy is the most important thing. We are not matter, we are actually energy. E is equal to mc square, we know that. So energy coagulates, consolidifies and becomes a solid. This physical body is huge energy. Every atom has got huge energy and we are all energy beings. So we are ourselves energy beings. We are pure consciousness, and to tap into our own energy reservoir is called as meditation. When we are low in our energy, when we expend more energy than we tap our energy, then we become ill and diseased. But when we begin to tap our own energy through meditation, we become more energy rich, and all problems, ailments, illnesses, everything vanishes when you dive into your own energy pool, your own source energy, which is infinite. So this diving of yourself into your whole, your source self, your source energy, which is the fundamental energy, which is also called as God's energy, right? That is called a meditation. Tapping into energy, that is called as the science of energy maximization. When you speak less, unnecessary talk, we talk unnecessarily, we think unnecessarily, we worry unnecessarily. When you reduce all these things, unnecessary things to zero, then you are fully energetic. So your lifestyle is the result of your energy levels. You can enhance your energy levels by putting yourself in an energy system, which is called the pyramid energy. In the year 1981 or 82, I also read a book by Dr. Paul Brunton, A Search in Secret Egypt, where in the year 1936, he went into the Great Pyramid alone, into the King's Chamber. He spent one whole night. He had wonderful experiences. I would recommend that everybody should read that book, A Secret Search into Egypt. So I was enamored by that experience, and in due course, I have myself gone 9 times to the Great Pyramid, Egypt. We have taken many people to go and do meditation inside the King's Chamber. It's a really great experience. Meditation essentially means going into your breath, connecting your breath. Your breath is connected to the whole cosmos. So when you are with the breath, you are connected to the cosmic energy, and you are in the flow of the cosmic energy. And all problems vanish, Actually, all problems of humanity are because by killing animals and eating their carcasses, by killing birds and eating their carcasses, by killing the fish and eating those carcasses, which is not at all human food. Human beings are herbivorous. They are not carnivorous. So our right food is only plant food. The first step is being a vegetarian. The second step is being a meditator. The third step is being a pyramid meditator. So that is the highest state of energy level in your body, mind, intellect, soul, Godhood system.